Well, we're looking back on this hurricane season, which we have officially closed out, thankfully. But wow, was it a busy Atlantic Basin season. We had 18 named storms, 11 of which became hurricanes, 5 major hurricanes. We compare that to an average season, and in some cases, we were double with what we typically see as far as hurricanes, and especially Category 3 hurricanes. There you see an average season offers up 14 named storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major. And of course, this season was record-setting for many ways. It started out with Hurricane Beryl. Then we had Helene, which brought us record storm surge here for the Tampa Bay area and a lot of the West Coast. That came really quickly on the heels with Milton, which still a lot of cleanup efforts here around the area. And so at the very least, things are quiet and our water temperatures have significantly cooled back. Those series of fronts that rolled through at the end of November into December have kicked temperatures in most cases down to the 60s. And so this is the point of the season where these cooler waters, they will stick around. It's 65 on Clearwater Beach. We head up into the Panhandle. We're even right around Apalachicola, 62 the water temperature there. Then we're in the 70s for parts of the Space Coast, kind of down to the southeast coast and the Keys, low 70s is the big picture here. We've got a lot of cold air that's been hovering across the eastern portion of the country, and that's from a big trough of low pressure. Here you can see it, and that's what's been bringing us the chill the last couple of days. We've got high pressure kind of parked over parts of Texas and the Four Corners region, and so both of these slide a little bit more east, and that starts to pull away that cold air mass. But before all is said and done, today, tomorrow morning, we're going to get a taste of the coldest temperatures. And just look at how many areas are dealing with below average or below freezing temperatures, I should say, today into our Wednesday morning. And so for us, we're looking at low 40s for Tampa, into the freezing mark with low 30s as we head up into the Panhandle and parts of North Florida. But it is going to be a dry front for us, and so that comes through tonight into tomorrow morning. We're still talking beautiful sunny skies today, and even once this front kind of sweeps the state on Wednesday, a little bit breezy, that chilly air, but still going to be talking rain-free and sunny conditions. So that's kind of the trade-off, is at least it's going to be really nice out there. Beautiful sunshine lasting all day like we saw out there yesterday, hardly even a cloud in the sky. But look at our temperatures tonight into tomorrow morning. This is what we need to be ready for as we're heading out the door. Right around 42 in Tampa, 30 Brooksville, Newport Richey to Wesley Chapel, right around the mid-30s. And so really some of the spots along the coast that have only bottomed out in the 50s, we're talking about 46 tonight for St. Pete, 43 Clearwater. So temperatures are going to be down across the board. That's as the kind of bitterly cold air, we're kind of right on the southern edge of that. And so we'll be feeling that today, tomorrow. Then it starts to lift a little bit more north and east, and we'll see some improvement, especially Thursday. But into this weekend, kind of see this gradual warm up here as we look at our temperature trend over the next 10 days. So especially this weekend into early next week, some signs that some 80s will build back in. And so that puts us above average, or average high now in Tampa, down to 76. And so here's a look at our highs today, right around the mid 60s for most of the area, a couple of low 60s as we head inland and further north. We head down to Venice, Northport area is going to be warmest there, right around 68 degrees. Temperatures tomorrow will warm those up by a couple of low 70s will be possible as we head further south, back to around 68 tomorrow in Tampa. Small craft caution on the water, north winds up to 20 knots, choppy on the bay, seas around 2 to 4 feet, low tide. That's going to come up here at 9:51 this morning, and then our high tide, that's not going to hit until 2 a.m. Wednesday morning. You can see those mid 70s by Friday and into the weekend, sunny, and it will be feeling much warmer.